In today's video, I will walk you through how to log out on Telegram Web. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Logging out of Telegram Web is a good practice whenever you're finished using your account, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. Signing out helps keep your conversations and personal information secure by preventing others from accessing your account.
First, look at the top left corner of your Telegram web window and click on the three horizontal lines menu icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select your profile. Inside your profile section, look for menu icon located at the top right corner of your Telegram web window. Click it to open the logout option. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure. Confirm your choice and you will instantly be signed out, returning you to the QR code login screen. If you want to use Telegram Web again later, you can simply sign back in by scanning the QR code with your Telegram mobile app or by using the available login method for your account. If you forgot to log out from another computer, don't worry. You can manage your active sessions from the Telegram mobile app. Open Settings, tap Devices, and you'll see a list of devices and browsers where your account is currently signed in. From there, you can end individual sessions or log out of all other devices if needed. Regularly reviewing your active sessions is a good security habit, especially if you use Telegram on multiple devices. It helps ensure that only devices you recognize have access to your account. And that's how to log out on Telegram Web. It's a quick and simple process that helps protect your account and keeps your messages secure whenever you're finished using Telegram in your browser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.